What's up, brother?
Hey.
Good to see you again. This is your bus?
Yeah,
This is your setup? Oh, man. It's killer.
Thank you, Ryan.
Oh, man. I'm like, this is fucking dope. How long have you had it?
The bus or the camper?
The whole thing. Yeah, the bus. How about the bus?
The bus 5 years, and the camper, we made it last June.
Oh, wow, man. That's a factory color, right? That bus, that's the original bus?
It's been repainted. So it's not quite factory. They didn't get the color to it.
It looks great, man.
Well, so you're familiar with Manx? So they're buying up as many bugs as they can, chopping them up and turning them into Manx. So I had a buddy that was working there for a short amount of time, and so he helped me out getting the other quarter window section. I didn't kill that one. The other one was a Baja that I bought, and the best part was the roof. So I saved the roof. I built that pan into a Bacaro, which is another kit car, same size as a Manx, so it's short and 14 inches. But I slammed that one on the ground.
They're still buying the bugs?
They're buying up all the bugs they can and turning them into Manx.
Oh, no.
Yeah, so they're taking perfectly good cars and chopping them up. So I was lucky I was able to have that friend I worked with. As far as I'm aware, I think so, yeah. They're building cars. Well, let me show you the car. So the Baja, that's the full roof, or the roof clip I used for this, I ended up turning that car.
Is this your art?
Yeah.
Oh, wow, man. Incredible.
Thank you. So that I started doing the art, dreaming of doing stuff like this.
Wow.
Yeah, so we built that car, and when they were seeing, another. Yeah. But I mean, that body was chopped. It was body chopped in the front apron, and that apron was chopped. It needed so much work. I was like, man, I could do something like that. At least the pan. Yeah, it took 2 bucks to make the top, but like I said, the only reason I got the other quarter windows in there with the original design was because
right?
Is that factory how that goes up?
No, I think he was just talking about that there's a company that he bought that section from and made that into a trailer. Right? Great bus, huh? Such a great bus. Super nice, man.
Thank you, Ryan.
What was your name?
Bob.
Nice to meet you, Bob.
Yes, sir.
Oh, man. Great story, too. So you have a friend or you know people that are making those into Manx buggies?
He was working there for a short amount of time, yeah. And So I had bought the original roof clip from a Baja, and then he was like, hey, I got this bug, I gotta get the part out. What do you need?
Wow.
Dude, thank you, man.
Yeah,
I
totally.
had the
What's
pop out
for?
windows, but finding the quarter, finding the whole quarter window section and all that stuff.
Yeah, so you built this.
Yeah.
That's cool. People must go bonkers when you take this down to the beach and stuff, right? See it set up, chilling.
Yeah, we were at Big Wednesday this week. We did the beach bash. I think the week before. We've done a lot of beach days this month.
Right? Isn't that the best? That's where these belong.
Yeah.
Man, your art is incredible. My in-laws have a art studio up in Oregon. It's pretty dope. You know what I mean? It's like super. I'm gonna send this stuff. You know what I mean, because they'll totally appreciate it. So, is that book available?
I have one available. I made two. One I use as a portfolio, and I just have one of each available.
Man,
And then, so this is all examples of like past work. I think. Let me see which one it is. Yeah, so this will have work from 2020, and then I had an exhibit at the Automotive Museum in San Diego where all of these pieces here were exhibited. I've had a couple exhibits out at the Automotive Museum there in San Diego. But yeah, all kinds of different stuff. And my wife makes the miniatures.
good for you, man. These are nuts.
Yeah,
You guys are. What a great
now.
team.
Thank you.
Yeah, I love that vibe too you guys have. It's just like so soothing when you're into like old patina, Volkswagen, and antiques.
Bob does the welding for these.
Oh, nice.
And I do the interiors, and we do little, airstreams, like a camper.
That is super cool. Are you TIG welder, Bob?
I do MIG right now.
Yeah. Looks clean, man. Nice work.
Thank you. They're really fun.
Yeah, she just made one recently that she sold a couple weeks back.
Oh, that is super cool, you guys.
Yeah,
Good for you
we haven't
guys.
gotten any chance to put it in the book yet.
This is all dope shit, man.
Thank you, Ryan. I appreciate that.
No sweat.
I know you have good taste. I saw your bug.
Oh, brother, that's so nice of you. Well, immediately when I walked over here and I saw the toys, I'm like, oh, what? I mean, the bus too, but I'm like, oh, because I love, and then it's like this vision right here, like, I love that.
Yeah, so that's my display I use for like the wall hanger pieces on kickback shows. I let people just, if they want to put a slap on it, they can. Just kind of be respectful, you know?
Yeah,
like
yeah,
This
yeah.
guy was super respectful. He just left it up here, and so I put it where I thought looked cool.
Oh, that is cool.
Anybody can just put it up
That's
there.
cool, Bob. Yeah, these are sick, man. Great work. Man, Bob, before I had a cannabis farm for a long time in Humboldt, and then I went into producing products in torrents for companies, you know, like formulating and extraction and all that shit. But before that, I worked at a transmission shop for 100 years, heavy equipment. But dude, I had containers of bearings and bolts and stuff I'd never used that would have been dope to donate to you to go weld. And if you ever need something like that, I might have a guy.
I appreciate it, but I've gotten.
You know what I mean? Like, it definitely was not on air. And I remember talking to the guy, and I think he, like the legend goes that he sold it like right off. I think it's this guy's right here. Pretty nice, huh? Right-hand drive.
Converted to right hand?
This guy's gonna need the jumper cables. Your generator mount is awesome, man.
Oh yeah,
Nice work.
I put power steering in that.
That's incredible. How long have you had the bus?
Next month will be 8 years.
Oh, wow.
It's an all brand new powerhouse, 120 horsepower. You want to see the power steering?
Sure, definitely.
Got to be careful we don't bump this guy.
You got it. I'm gonna go around with my bag and I'm gonna meet you.
That's some flirt with my girlfriend's back.
You got it. Hi, guys.
There's
Oh
power
my
steering.
gosh. That is cool.
Got a hydraulic clutch, heated seats.
Wow, that's great work, man. I'm Tiny, by the way.
I'm Bill.
Nice to meet you, Bill.
Yeah, I got tired of those Chinese mirrors snapping off when I'm driving down the street, so I made real strong brackets.
Yeah, those look a little bit more stout that you put on there. Great bus, Bill. Thanks, Bill. Yeah, definitely. Guys, it was so nice meeting you again, Bob, man. I appreciate you. Nice meeting you guys.
See you later.
Yeah, thanks.
It's removable and adjustable. I can put it up here.
Oh,
I've
nice.
camped in there a couple times, like up in the glass house, and it's really fun.
Oh, wow.
It's just because it narrows up. It's a little tighter to get up in there. So, this is the most comfortable setting for us right here.
Do you ever take it down to like Carlsbad, Encinitas?
So we did San Onofre Big Wednesday just this past week, but we've taken it to Arizona, and we do a lot of different beach campouts and trips and stuff like that.
Well, my hangout is down in Carlsbad and Encinitas on the weekends usually. And I'll tell you what's cool about it is you guys can do some park on the side of the road.
Sorry, bro.
No problem. Get in there.